That's how it started. Her old man tries to kill Menendez. Menendez wants payback, even if it takes decades. Menendez, back then, was a big fish in a small pond. He made his cake, running a drug cartel out of Nicaragua. It was a hand-me-down. The CIA smoked his old man. Old Cyclops is pretty pissed at America. While we're fucking around the Middle East, the Russians and the Chinese are getting real cozy. Now, the politicians, they want you to think this is about ideology. It's a lot of horse shit. Give me your phone. Go ahead. Rare earth elements. Whole fucking world runs on this shit. Who controls all of it? China. Jeez. So while corporate America is kissing China's ass...
Now the mysterious Cortes Diaz social network has crowdsourced simultaneous protests in both Iran and North Korea. Never seen in public, who really is the leader of Cortes Diaz? He's known only as Odysseus.
Odysseus? My ass. Raul fucking Menendez. Asshole. I told JSOC, but they were too busy. See, the drone race had started. I mean, really, guys? You're gonna build an entire military based on a mineral element that's wholly controlled by China? I need a drink. Dipshit.
No, God.
Give me a soda. Get it from the nurse's stash. None of that diet crap.
China's Premier Chen is outraged by Cortes Diaz's leaked memo, alleging the cyber attack was covertly ordered by the White House.
And through all the dirty shit the US government's gotten away with, this time, they're innocent and no one fucking believes them. They take out Cortes Diaz's network 2 days later. The director of the FBI burned alive. Right now, 1 billion people believe that Raul Menendez is their savior. Guess what, boys? He's not. You better take him out pretty fucking quick. That shit's gonna happen.
Look at that. Menendez got a whole private fucking army hidden out there.
Cubans. Elite rank. State-of-the-art tech.
How many followers does Cortes Diaz have right now? What, 1 billion people?
Try 2 billion. Who'll never believe their leader's a terrorist. They think Menendez is their savior.
They've got a hell of a disappointment coming. That's all I could say.
Time to go see what Menendez has got hidden down there. You ready, Harper?
Keep momentum on your swing. Don't want to be left hanging. Surface is a little uneven. Jammed hard with the nano gloves.
So far, so good.
Ready? Okay, hotshot, your turn.
One more time. Let's go. Yeah, we're okay. Thanks to you.
Wide open. Little more than skeleton crew. Walk in the park.
No seas idiota. Do not underestimate Raul Menendez.
His followers sure did. And what does Cortes Diaz mean exactly?
It's Latin. Hard day, some shit like that.
Sounds like something noble.
That's what Menendez wants his followers to believe. Trust me, it isn't. Crosby, you're up.
tight, man! There! The gap in the mountain!
Deploying shoot!
Deploying shoot!
Deploying shoot!
You good?
I'm good. Salazar, Crosby, you got the left side?
Cover! Ready on your go!
¡Combatiente en abierto!
Kraken, this is Harper. Come in. Enemies preparing to leave location. Advise.
We need firm intel on their capabilities. You're clear to engage.
Section, you seen this?
Yeah. Be ready to move on my kill. An EMP grenade will fry their cloaking systems.
¡Movimiento!
Other one's mine.
Enemies in the elevator!
Dead ahead! Drone taking off!
We don't want that bastard airborne!
Salazar, take it out!
On it! Drone's down. Okay, let's get moving!
Hack the weapon system! Of that ground is burned!
Yeah!
Push forward! Don't let them breathe!
¡Muy bien! ¡No podemos detenerlos!
Give these bastards a taste of their own medicine! Move in! Clear them out!
They're falling back! Engaging! Come on! We got him on the run!
Go, go, go!
Shit! The fucking turret's got the area locked down! EMPs will fry them! Hit them with an EMP section! Gotta be more to this facility underground.
Kraken, this is Section. Surface installation is neutralized. Moving to investigate secondary structure. Watch your step. Floodwaters may have weakened the structure.
Holy shit. Look at this.
What we saw up top was just a front.
Walls are several meters thick. We lose comms inside.
Update Briggs. Tell him we're moving in.
Dragon, this is Harper. Confirming SciTech installation beneath the temple. Requesting immediate cleanup and containment unit to our location. Be advised, we will lose comms as soon as we make our entry.
Kraken confirms. Ground team moving for immediate insertion. Stand by for ETA.
Salazar, get it open. Enemy's optic systems. We need to get our techs working on analysis.
They got an ASD! Its front's too tough!
Spread out! Clear the area!
Upstairs, go!
Keep pushing!
They sure as hell don't want us in here!
Target the nitrogen tank!
Smart fucking Salazar! That shit blows up real good! Move left! They got more auto turrets!
Push through them! Okay, we're clear.
This is 3D fabrication tech. Weapons, components, armor. Menendez is arming himself for war.
Woods told us how much wealth Menendez built over the years. He's been investing it in weapons tech.
Somebody's here.
Please, don't hurt me!
Okay, come on out. This lab is linked to a known terrorist. Start talking or I will hurt you.
My name is Eric Briner. I'm a magnetometrist.
Yeah? And what is, Menendez's interest in you, buddy?
They brought me here to process the Celerium. It's a new, rare earth element that will render all existing microchip technologies obsolete. They're coming! Get me out of here alive! I'll give you everything!
Down!
Grab some of these shields! Set them down as cover!
These fuckers mean business! Now where's the Celerium?
This way! The locking mechanism requires 2 operators. On your go!
Let's get to it, section.
Follow me! Quantum entanglement. This single device has more processing power than your entire military infrastructure. Rumors around the lab were that Menendez plans to use it as a basis for a massive cyber attack. I heard talk of something called Karma. It may be the name for the cyber weapon. If Menendez uses a Celerium worm to initiate an attack, there will be nothing anyone can do to stop it. I couldn't stop it.
Harper, get a sit rep on the support team.
Behind us! We got incoming! Kraken! Harper requesting confirmation on extraction team's ETA!
Defensive positions!
Kraken, come in! Damn it, no response.
We'll fight our way out, with or without support. This ain't over yet!
Your team can stand out.
It's Briggs! Stand out! It's the extraction team! Boy, are you a sight for sore eyes.
I guess we can call this mission accomplished.
Admiral Briggs, good to see you.
You too, Sechin.
Whatever Menendez is planning, Celerium is the key to it.
We finally got one over this cocksucker.
He's just a man, Admiral. He'd like you to think he's something more. But he ain't nothing but a sad, old, pitiful excuse of a man.